can't put them out from the outside. We have to go in. So we put all this stuff on with our other fire suit. Everybody knows what a fire suit is? You seen firemen? I'm a bad fireman. I didn't bring mine with me. So,
Cody?
but this is what we wear on top of that.
How about you breathe?
We got a little bit better practice.
Ah.
But we put all this stuff on, and it keeps us from breathing any kind of bad smoke or bad fumes or anything like that. And it's so we can breathe inside the house. If somebody's trapped inside a house, if you're inside, you can't get out. This is so we can go in and get you and bring you back out. So it protects us. It's better to protect y'all and get y'all out of harm. But it's pretty cool. I like to wear it myself. Well, good. That's good. I'm glad. But if you ever happen to call the fire department, what are you going to do? How are you going to call them? That's good. Everybody should know that.
Happy birthday!